everybody, I'm Taylor Tommila. Welcome to Honda Dash Films. I'm the videographer and photographer for Honda Dash Films. Today, this photo for our episode, we're up here at the North Head Lighthouse here at golden hour, which is my favorite time. You all know that. So let's get to it. Roll that B-roll, Blake. Bunkers here. Leftovers of World War II stuff for out overseeing the bay and everything else out here. Like 3 levels, I think. There was 1 level down here, a level under my feet, and there's a level right there. All lookout points to oversee the entire mouth of the Columbia to the Pacific Ocean. So for this, we're going to do a long exposure here before the sun goes down. We're going to use an ND filter, a neutral density filter, and those are perfect for long exposures during the daytime. You're able to get the full picture while still maintaining your f-stop and on ISO and stuff, so it's all grainy and stuff. And then we're going to take some long exposures of all the crashing waves here, and we're going to make it look all silky smooth, buttery. made it through the video. That's awesome. Once you take the time to go to our Facebook, our Instagram too, check out. That's the best way to keep update with Tommila Films. That's at symbol Tommila Films. Also, I started a side page as well. It's at Tommila, and that's my photography. It's where I post all my photography for like my professional photography, like post editing stuff and stuff I take the time to really focus on. So plug for that. So have a great day.